Hey guys, Rabbit BEM Team Racing. I'm joined by Spud and Dom. We're celebrating our 100th upload on YouTube. It's a big moment for us. Didn't think we'd get to this many videos not racing all season, but as you can see, we got our little Tercel here, and as we announced in the short, we're going to blow this one up. We want to see how long this motor lasts. Well, BAM is going to drop nuts, bolts, and everything else down inside the crankcase. After a little modification with the valve cover, now we can actually dump some stuff down in there. We're going to see how long this little motor lasts. Maybe it'll last a while, or this could turn into a very short episode. But we're going to see, and as you can tell, Spud has safety third on standby. So in case of anything going wrong, we are 100% covered. Dom is going to be in the driver's seat. He's going to be giving it the gas when we tell him to give it the gas, and we're going to see how long this car lasts. Probably going to leak a lot of oil because we had to modify the valve cover, but we don't care. We're blowing this car up. So without any further ado, enjoy the video. We're just going to keep this one rolling. Start her up. And on top of other things, we don't need that no more. A little bit of paper in there. This car really needs some fiber. Okay, the car don't want its fiber. Yeah, a few rocks, why not? Quality BBs.
She lost the picture!
Woo!
Look at it.
Oh, what is she? Boom! I don't see a hole.
Can I stop?
Let's make sure she's locked. Yeah.
She done!
I want to officially say we have officially blown up our Tercel. She lasted longer than we expected. That's our 100th video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe on YouTube.